Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my video. If you can't see by the looks of it already, it is going to be a wash, treat, blow dry, and flat iron video with my natural hair. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The button's somewhere down here. Like my video, comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and yeah, I'll be back with another one. So I have a little wash station, but yeah, so I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and literally just comb out my ponytail. I'm going to be using the Design Essentials shampoo and their conditioner. You guys can't see. Yes. And then for my treatment in between, I am going to be using this hair mask treatment. I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's from Dudley's. So let's get started. So I soak my hair in water, and then I can't even see it. Hopefully you guys can see me. I take some of the product. For the first wash, I normally use more product than I do for the second wash. And there it is. And then I go ahead and scratch. So this is wash number 2, and after this wash, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my hair mask. So guys, once I shampooed my hair twice, I take my towel and literally towel dry out my hair. So I dry out the water, and then I take my treatment hair mask. It looks like this. And I literally just put it through my hair. Like, my hair is not that thick where I feel like I need to do section. Put it everywhere. So, once that's all over my hair, I gather it all up together at the top. I'll take some cotton and I'll just wrap it around. And then I'll take my cap and put my hair inside of it. And with this, I'll go under the dryer for 25 minutes. I'll sit under the dryer for 25 minutes and let it process, and then rinse it back out and condition my hair with either the replenishing conditioner, just because I like how it feels in my hair, or I'll somewhat use the Design Essentials conditioner. So let's do that. So I'm going to be under the dryer for 25 minutes. So minutes is up. I'm about to wash this mask off and put some conditioner in my hair. So I'm just going to take off the bag, the plastic cap. Instant moisturizing conditioner from Design Essentials. To get ready for the blow dry. So basically I'm out here looking like a wet dog, but now I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair. So I'm gonna be using this product. It is from Dudley's. It's called Cream Press, and I literally use this every time I wash my hair. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the product. Act like I'm washing my hands with it and literally rub it all in my hair. And then I'm gonna take my favorite product from Revlon, and this is the leave-in spray. detangling conditioner and spray it throughout my whole entire head. I'm running out, guys. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer. This is the Nano Titanium blow dryer from Babyliss. I'm pretty sure I got it from hair school. And I use this nozzle, like it's very sturdy, like it goes through any type of hair. And then I use this paper just because the nozzle is too big for the blow dryer, so I literally just stick this paper in so that it doesn't fall out. And I put my blow dryer on high and the highest speed, highest heat, highest speed, highest everything. So basically, if you guys can't see, I'm literally starting from my ends, blowing it out, and then moving to the top. So once my hair is almost dry, because it's not completely dry, I am going to use my Dax curling wax and spread it throughout my hair and then go back in and literally blow dry it again. So I'm gonna use some of this and distribute it through my hair. That's nice. And then I'm gonna blow dry it again. So guys, my hair is officially washed, treated, and now blow dried. And I'm literally going to just go in chunks and just press the iron through my hair, because if I go piece by piece, my hair would be bone straight, looking like I have no hair on my head. So what I do is I take a little bit more of the curling wax and I mainly put it on my ends. And all I use is my tail comb, my claw clip, and my flat iron. So basically what I do is, let me try to turn around for you guys. I go from the back and like I just part it. I don't even like section it in like 4 or anything. Okay guys, so basically when I run my flat iron through it, because that's what I consider it, running my flat iron through it, this is how straight my hair comes out. And I literally just go through the ends. All together. So yeah. This is what it is. I don't know. Should I keep it in the side part or in the middle part? So guys, after washing and treating my hair and me going and flat ironing this head of mine, this is how it looks. This is natural me. But yeah, this is basically the look. This is how I look after I wash and flat iron my hair. So guys, thanks for staying tuned. I hope you guys continue watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. If you are back here and you are not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like my video, leave a comment below guys.